This is Auxillite. It makes everything you do with your iPhone 7 even better. Just toss out your other bulky adapters. You will never have to choose between charging and music again. With its cool, sleek design, Auxillite is a perfect companion for your iPhone 7. The power light is an LED indicator. Turns on when your phone is charging. The dedicated DAC combined with the audio enhancer helps you get the best music quality without having to give up your high-end headphones. Auxillite also features an adjustable stand, helping you multitask wherever you are. So whether it's video chatting with your friends, setting up your next hot date, or watching the latest Netflix series, Auxillite seamlessly integrates into your daily life.
Hey Julian.
Sarah, how about we go to that Thai restaurant again tonight?
Yeah, sure. You can pick me up at 7.
Okay, cool.
It also doubles as a cord organizer, so say goodbye to messy cables forever. And you can tuck it away and take it with you wherever you go.
We all love the iPhone 7. It's sleek and powerful, but the missing headphone jack is a real issue for a lot of people, and big, bulky add-ons are just not on. So we've developed the Auxillite, the perfect solution. It's chic and slim and matches your iPhone perfectly.